Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video, I will guide you through how to use the alignment chart test. Alignment chart tests are questionnaires designed to evaluate an individual's moral and ethical values. These assessments are frequently employed in role-playing games such as Dungeons & Dragons, aid players in crafting and evolving their characters. Nevertheless, these tests can provide introspection and personal development. The alignment chart is a two-dimensional framework delineating two distinct axes, the conflict between good and evil and the balance between lawful and chaotic tendencies. Within this paradigm, good characters epitomize altruism and a concern for the welfare of others, while evil characters exhibit selfish and destructive traits. Lawful individuals prioritize order and tradition, contrasting with chaotic personalities who prize personal freedom and individualism. This chart comprises 9 unique alignments based on the interplay of these axes. Lawful good characters exemplify virtuous paragons who uphold the law and safeguard innocence. Neutral good personas, though fundamentally good, exhibit a greater willingness to adapt or even bend rules when necessary. Chaotic good characters, while also good-hearted, display rebellious and independent streaks and may transgress laws to achieve their moral objectives. Lawful neutral individuals value order and tradition, even if it harms others. True neutral characters are impartial and make decisions based on personal interests. Chaotic neutral figures are unpredictable and unruly. Lawful evil personas manipulate the law to further their malevolent agendas. Neutral evil characters embrace wickedness and engage in criminal activities to achieve their goals. Chaotic evil individuals derive pleasure from inflicting pain and suffering. Alignment chart tests are a fun way to gain insights into one's values and beliefs. However, it's important to remember that they simplify human morality and people are inherently complex. To use our free alignment chart test, follow these steps. Download our alignment chart test from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Familiarize yourself with the two primary axes, good versus evil and lawful versus chaotic. Begin the test. Start the test by answering questions, scenarios, or prompts. These questions are designed to gauge your values and beliefs. Reflect on each question carefully and select the response that aligns most closely with your beliefs, values, and attitudes. Be truthful in your response. Alignment chart tests rely on your genuine opinions to accurately determine your alignment. Continue answering the questions until you have completed the entire test. The number of questions may vary depending on the specific test you are taking. The test will typically include a scoring mechanism that calculates your alignment based on your responses. It may present your alignment as a combination of two alignments such as lawful good or neutral evil. Once you receive your alignment result, read the description associated with it. This will provide insights into your moral and ethical tendencies. Consider what your alignment says about your values and character. Reflect on how this newfound insight can be applied to personal growth or character development in role-playing games. Apply your alignment understanding to role-playing games, storytelling, or personal decision-making, considering how your character or choices align with your identified moral and ethical values. Here's a sample of our alignment chart test, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our alignment chart test, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.